Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Python venv and system packages on VPS, beginner guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Python virtual environments on your VPS, first, connect to your server via SSH. Use your preferred terminal or SSH client for this task. Once connected, navigate to the directory containing the virtual environment you wish to remove. You can do this using the cd command followed by the path to your venv. For example, type cd/path/to/your/venv and press enter. After navigating to the correct directory, you can safely delete the virtual environment. Use the command rmrf venv_name where venv_name is the name of your virtual environment. Make sure you have typed the name correctly to avoid deleting unintended files. Once the command is executed, the virtual environment will be removed from your system. Now, let's move on to uninstalling system packages. First, check which Python packages are installed on your system. You can do this by typing piplist in the terminal and pressing enter. Review the list to identify which packages you no longer need. To uninstall a specific package, use the command pip uninstall package_name. Replace package_name with the actual name of the package you want to remove. Confirm the uninstallation when prompted by typing Y and pressing enter. Repeat this step for each package you wish to uninstall. If you want to uninstall all packages, you can use a loop command. Type pip freeze zargs pip uninstall Y and press enter. This command will uninstall all installed packages without requiring individual confirmations. Finally, it's a good practice to update your package list after uninstallation. Use the command sudo apt-get update for Ubuntu or Debian-based systems. For other Linux distributions, adjust the command according to your package manager. With these steps, you have successfully uninstalled Python virtual environments and system packages from your VPS. Make sure to verify that everything is working as expected after making these changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.